Hello and welcome back to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian and I am delighted to be able to do these videos for you. Today is a special day because this is a topic that is very dear to my heart, and it's how to attract an ex when you have kids together. As a father, I know that having children is not always easy, but it's always very rewarding. And I think that I can help you figure out ways to attract the person that you love by just continuing to do some of the things that you are already doing, but by doing them in a more thoughtful, deliberate way. I would like for you to shift your focus from your significant other to your child. Hear me out here. The reality of it is that you both love this child and you both want what's best for this child. And if that's not the case for your ex, you should really reconsider if this is the person that you want to be fighting for. Because at the heart of any common life project is pulling in the same direction and having shared goals and values. And if you cannot pull in the same direction with your kid, if your significant other is completely detached and disconnected as a parent, it might not be the best person for you, despite the fact that you still love them. In any case, what I would like for you to do is I would like you to stop obsessing over winning them back and start to obsess about being the best parent that you can be for your child. You can actually channel the love that you have for your significant other and use that to indirectly give them love. If you are the best parent that you can be, your ex is going to feel that love through your child. And you're going to be an appealing version of you, not a desperate one trying to seek their validation. It's about, one, being the best parent you can be, and two, being emotionally independent, not putting your ex on a pedestal and not fighting to try to convince them that you are worthy of their love. If they don't want to listen, give them space. Give them space. Make sure that you look as appealing as you can. Make sure that your energy is centered around, being social and doing things for yourself, and let them do what they have to do. It is about making sure that you pull in the same direction for your kids, but at the same time that you can be completely disconnected and take a step back in terms of your love life. Give them no attention and give your kids all the attention. That works if and only if you weren't completely neglectful of your significant other. And if you did not get here, if the breakup didn't happen because you were an amazing parent but a neglectful partner. If that was the case, I advise you to completely shift your strategy because it's going to be more of the same and you may alienate your significant other. And a few people in the last few months have reached out to me with, having been too distant as a partner and too neglectful as a husband or wife. And if you find yourself in that situation, I urge you to reach out so that we can adapt a roadmap that is specific to this need and to this reality. But for most of you who have been too needy, too clingy, and trying to convince this person that you love that you guys should stay together for the well-being of your family, and because you love them so much, the key is to pull away and to continue to be an amazing parent, but to also be an attractive single individual. Stop seeking their approval and start to live for yourself. Obviously, you want to make sure that at every encounter, you look your best. You want to make sure that you change your look. Perhaps you change your cologne or your perfume, your hairstyle, and you get a few new items of clothing if you can. Start to go out. Start to show them that you are being social and that you're moving forward with your life. And that will create a renewed sense of attraction. And avoiding drama, conflict, and negativity, and being more playful and witty eventually, when you're able to have some sort of dialogue and interaction, is the way to spark a new, passionate dynamic. But the conditions need to be in place. You cannot do that right away if you've been needy and if you've been chasing your significant other for months, trying to convince them that you are worthy. Everything needs to come in time. And so if you have a child together, if you want to know how you can attract your partner again, please join our free Facebook community, Love Advice TV community, and leave your thoughts, comments, questions in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. We're always available for private coaching as well, and you can find us at withmyexagain.com. As always, keep fighting the good fight, and see you soon for another video.